Today, we will explore an epic time-traveling adventure, and you will learn English by reviewing a fantastic story. Hello and welcome. I will speak in slow and clear English for you. Today, we have a special video. We are going to review a fictional book called The Adventures of Elliot, The Millennium Tales. This is a great way to practice English with interesting content. Here is how our lesson will work. First, you will hear the complete book review in English. Then, we will do a bilingual review with English and Spanish text on the screen. After that, we will learn some key vocabulary and a useful expression. Finally, we will test your understanding with some questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, what is The Adventures of Elliot, The Millennium Tales about? This book introduces us to Elliot, a seemingly ordinary 16-year-old boy. He loves video games and history, but he feels like his own life is quite boring. One day, while exploring his grandmother's attic, he discovers an old, strange compass. This isn't just any compass, it's a key. A key that allows him to travel through time. The book's premise is fascinating. Elliot learns he is part of a secret family of timekeepers. Their job is to protect history from a shadowy organization that wants to change the past to control the future. Elliot's first jump sends him to ancient Rome, where he must stop an agent from altering a key event. He is clumsy and unprepared, which makes his first adventure both thrilling and funny. Now, let's talk about the highs, the best parts of the book. The pacing is fantastic. The story moves quickly, with action and suspense in every chapter. You feel Elliot's panic and excitement as he navigates different historical periods, from the age of Vikings to Victorian London. The author does a great job of making the history feel alive and real, not like a boring textbook. Another major strength is the character development. Elliot starts as an insecure teenager, but he grows into a brave and clever hero. We see him make difficult choices and learn from his mistakes. The supporting characters are also well written, especially his guide, a wise and experienced timekeeper from the future who communicates with him through the compass. However, the book is not perfect. Let's discuss some of the lows. The rules of time travel can sometimes be a little confusing. The author introduces the concept of a paradox, an event that could destroy the timeline, but the explanation is not always clear. A few times, I had to reread a section to understand the consequences of Elliot's actions. So, what's the final verdict? Despite the slightly confusing rules, The Adventures of Elliot, The Millennium Tales is a highly enjoyable and exciting read. It's perfect for anyone who loves adventure, history, and stories about ordinary people doing extraordinary things. I would definitely recommend it. It is a journey well worth your time. He finds a magic compass that allows him to travel through time. Él encuentra una brújula mágica que le permite viajar en el tiempo. His job is to protect history. His first mission is in ancient Rome. Su trabajo es proteger la historia. Su primera misión es en la antigua Roma. The best parts are its fast pacing and suspense. The historical settings feel very real. Las mejores partes son su ritmo rápido y el suspense. Los escenarios históricos se sienten muy reales. Elliot's character development is a strength. He changes into a brave hero. El desarrollo del personaje de Elliot es un punto fuerte. Se convierte en un héroe valiente. A weakness is that the time travel rules can be a bit confusing. Un punto débil es que las reglas de los viajes en el tiempo pueden ser un poco confusas. The book is a highly recommended adventure. It is a journey worth your time. El libro es una aventura muy recomendada. Es un viaje que merece tu tiempo. Great job. Now let's learn some key vocabulary from the review. First word, premise. A premise is the main idea or concept that a story is built on. For example, the premise of the book is that a boy can travel through time. Next, pacing. Pacing is the speed at which a story moves. If a book has fast pacing, many exciting things happen quickly. For example, the pacing of the action movie was incredible. And our last word, verdict. A verdict is a final decision or opinion about something. For example, my verdict is that this is an excellent book. Now for our useful expression of the day, worth your time. When we say something is worth your time, it means it is useful, enjoyable, or important enough to spend time on. You can say, this video is worth your time, or was the movie worth your time? It's a great way to recommend things. Excellent work. Now it's time to check your understanding. I will ask a question, pause for a moment so you can think, and then I will give the answer. Question 1. What object does Elliot find in the attic? He finds an old, strange compass. Question 2. What is a high or a strong point of the book? The book's fast pacing and good character development are strong points. Question 3. What is a low or a weak point of the book? The rules of time travel can sometimes be confusing. Question: what object does Elliot find? A. He finds an old, strange compass. B. ¿Qué objeto encuentra Elliot? R. Él encuentra una brújula vieja y extraña. Question: what is a strong point of the book? A. Its fast pacing and character development. B. ¿Cuál es un punto fuerte del libro? R. Su ritmo rápido y el desarrollo de personajes. Question: what is a weak point of the book? A. The rules of time travel can be confusing. B. ¿Cuál es un punto débil del libro? R. Las reglas de los viajes en el tiempo pueden ser confusas. You have done a fantastic job today. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English stories. It really helps us a lot. Now, for your homework. In the comments below, tell me, what is a book or movie that you think is worth your time? I would love to read your recommendations. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next story.